Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 72 Chevy Monte Carlo. Really nice car. Been kind of in that silver green paint. Very good job done on the restoration. Probably was done a while ago. One small little thing right there. And a couple little chips right there. I'm going to show you all the flaws on it. That's what we do. It's got Firehawk Indy 500s on it. They're 235 70s, all four of them. Like I said, bucket seats. I was told this is original material, and it could be because you see a couple little imperfections there. There's a dash, a couple little Mars on it, but very, very nice car. 74 717, aftermarket stereo and gauges, is an air car. Of course, like said, console. Fitech fuel injection. So there's the big, huge plus on the mechanical side. Paint, as you can see the reflection of me in it doing this video, you can see how good the paint is. Here's your only bad spot. Along this vinyl top, you got a little rust, so there you go, one little spot in there, and a couple on the other side, but pretty typical with that. Would be easy to fix, because you can fix from line to line and get most of it. A little bit right here too. So you don't have to ask me about it, I'm showing it to you. They all have it. Pretty hard to stop it on 50-year-old cars. One little scratch right there. But beautiful car. This is above average car. You could show it if you wanted. Definitely cruise night material that would really would look good with all the other Monte Carlos. So if you're looking for a nice Monte Carlo, I think it drives awesome with a fuel injection air car. So any questions? 605-695-7391.